friend. You have come before us and before God and express your desire to be husband and wife. And in the world to come, you will have life everlasting through Jesus Christ our Lord. I invite you to kiss each other.
We'll always be together, even when a wide, wide world keeps them apart. The wild wind could never keep me away from the one who holds the key to my heart. True loves will always be together, even when a wide, wide world keeps them apart. Wild wind can never keep me away from the one who holds the key to my heart. I believe in a bright new day. I believe in a clear, simple way. I believe that it's not
I'm going to give it to her. There we go.